Hey guys, it's Matt Pittman of Meat Church. I'm here with my daughter Ava. And today we're gonna make one of our favorite holiday recipes, smoked chocolate pecan cobbler. First thing we're gonna do is
Is this a tortilla?
It's a pie crust. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna lay one pie crust in a buttered cast iron pan. Next, we're gonna cover that pie crust with chocolate chips. Spread the chocolate chips all around there, nice and even. You want maximum coverage. You don't wanna see any of the pie crust. Whoa. I'm gonna sleep for days. So let's get our ingredients mixed up. We've got some vanilla, corn syrup, some melted butter, brown sugar, 6 beaten eggs, and chopped pecans. And we're gonna mix that all together. Pour half of the mixture in the pan over the pie crust. Now we're gonna put the second pie crust on top of it. I'm gonna try to put it in here nice and even again. Got a nice rustic look, creates a little bowl so we can pour the rest of our mixture. We're gonna cook this for 20 minutes so it sets up a little bit, and then we're gonna pour the rest in and continue the cooking. We just pulled this off the smoker. It's been on for 20 minutes, so now it's time to pour the other half of the mixture in and top it with pecans. It's time to go back in the smoker for 30 minutes, and then it's gonna be time to get the ice cream and eat. Our cobbler's been resting for 15 minutes. Our favorite way to eat it is with vanilla ice cream. All right, you ready to try it?
Yes.
Dig in there. For more recipes like this, visit Academy Sports and Outdoors YouTube channel. And for all your outdoor cooking needs, visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors.